Gardening gift box business, national online opportunity. This is a very niche online business that sells gardening gift boxes and stands out for its creativity, quality and originality. Established in 2020, the business operates 100% online and can be run from anywhere in Australia. This concept is quite unique, with nothing else like it currently available online. With strong foundations already in place, this turnkey opportunity simply needs time and focused marketing. The market for the gift boxes is large and diverse, as they are the perfect gift for gardening enthusiasts. Moore & Fenn is ideal for someone who has an interest in gardening and wants a flexible home-based business. It would also suit an existing e-commerce operator seeking a ready-made product range to bolt on and scale. The groundwork has been done. Just add energy and promotion and watch this business achieve its full potential.